Cash Giraffe rewards are tied to your progress inside the app, so the games you play and the milestones you reach can affect what rewards you see. By the end, you will know how Cash Giraffe level up rewards work, where to check your progress, and what to do if your rewards do not appear correctly. Cash Giraffe is a rewards app that gives users coins for playing supported mobile games. The level up system is designed around completing progress goals inside those games. When you reach a required milestone, the app can recognize that achievement and add the related reward to your account. The first thing to check is the game tracking section inside Cash Giraffe. A game must usually be installed through the correct process for the app to connect your activity with your account. If a game is already installed before you start tracking it, progress may not always be recorded. The second thing to understand is that level rewards depend on the specific game offer. Different games can have different goals, reward amounts, and completion requirements. A level milestone in one game does not mean every other game will follow the same reward structure. To avoid missing rewards, open Cash Giraffe before starting a new game offer. Check the listed requirements, and make sure the app shows that the game is being tracked. Keeping screenshots of your progress can also help if you need to contact support about a missing reward. If a level up reward does not appear, check whether the milestone was completed exactly as required. Some offers require reaching a specific level, completing a certain action, or meeting conditions before the reward is credited. You can also check the reward history area in the app to see whether the reward was already processed. If the activity is missing, use the support option inside Cash Giraffe and provide details about the game, the milestone, and your progress. The main points are simple. Cash Giraffe level up rewards come from completing tracked game milestones. Each game offer can have different requirements, and checking tracking status early can prevent problems later. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe, review the available game offers, and read the level requirements before you start playing. If this guide helped you understand Cash Giraffe rewards, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and fixes.